Welcome to the Church Leadership Development and Certification E Kit. We have created this short video to give you an overview for your convenience. Right now, we are on the home page, and there are easy navigation points for your experience in the Church Leadership Development and Certification E Kit. So, our home page actually guides you through what it is that you can expect from the E Kit. Goes into some detail, gives you clarity as to why we have developed this program. It also includes some of the gifts, bonuses that you will receive, and it speaks to the fact that this is a certification program that will help you and your team members to be more effective in the Lord's service. So it speaks to some of the benefits, some of the expectations that we will grant you, will give to you at the end of your time with us. They also show you how to get best results from the kit and how you can empower and engage members of your congregation. The kit includes a number of additional features like the daily inspiration, which will be daily 365 practical insights that are offered in the kit. We also have a discussion forum, a blog, which is our reflections and insights, and we have publications that are available. The home page also has this disclaimer that speaks to our editorial policy. We make the case that we do not present doctrinal positions save and except for the following: that salvation is personal and each individual has responsibility for their soul. We also know that information about God's plan for humanity is outlined in the Bible, and the Bible should therefore be the source of answers to Bible questions. Consequently, each individual should make it a point of duty to examine the scriptures for themselves, to verify teachings and practices, and to answer questions that arise. Godly wisdom supersedes human wisdom, so we should let God's word be our guide. You should also note that there is a 30-day full access without cost. So you have 30 days before your paid subscription trips in. So you can actually use this time to engage members of your congregation and invite up to 11 others to participate, have full access under your subscription. So that's the home page. Next, we look at reflections and insights. This is a collection, and a growing collection that is, because we add articles each week. So we look at a number of areas that are of relevance to you on a day-to-day basis. We look, for example, at ways to communicate effectively with dominant personalities. Dealing with dominance is a challenge to many individuals. Then we have how to amicably settle disagreements. Again, this is an issue that impacts members. 7 Tales of a Life That Cares is another article that's included. Then 7 Mistakes that Parents Make when Seeking to Get the Best for Their Children. As you can see, we cover a cross-section of issues in this area. We also have 5 causes of unhappiness and how to respond. So those are some of the articles that are included in reflections and insights. Next, we come to the core, the heart of the E-Kit, which is the leadership development and certification courses. This is a collection of important courses that are delivered in 4 modules. Module 1 deals with the building blocks, how to increase personal influence, the issue of discerning listening. Listening is a challenge, it's a talent or a skill that we need to develop. How do you make effective presentations? How do you speak under pressure? Those are issues that are dealt with in Module 1, Building Blocks. Then, in Module 2, we introduce a concept that's new to many, which is the idea of discerning leadership. What is that? When you enter the course, you will see it relates to behaviors, why we classify behaviors, how we classify them, and how we apply those classifications to enhance leadership, to enhance communication. Then we go deeper in Module 3. We look at discerning leadership, we look at the patterns of leadership, we look at pitfalls related to various patterns, and we look at the way forward. And we cover leadership across 12 different areas of leadership, 12 disciplines, 12 responsibilities of leadership. So then we go to Module 4, which is really where the team building, the team cohesiveness is dealt with. Developing unity and harmonious cooperation in the congregation. Again, we have different areas, different approaches to assist you in being a more cohesive and high-performing congregation. Kit then deals with daily inspiration. Now this is actually inspired by a project that we had to read the entire Bible in 1 year. Now many people have found that challenging, so what we have done is that we have set it out day by day. It doesn't have to be in 1 year, but we give you a clearly structured program where you read a bit of the Old Testament and some of the New Testament each day until you complete the entire Bible. What we have done to encourage individuals and what we have made available in the E-Kit are 365 tidbits, insights that we draw from each day's reading. So there's an image and there is a statement and there is a quotation from the scriptures. So you get this every day. So there will be 365 of these that you can actually use to inspire you. Many persons have come back to say, wow, today's inspiration hit me exactly where I needed it. I had a challenge and it just came at the right time to take me through it. So you will find these inspirational quotes and extracts very useful to you. Then there is this treasure, which is the discerning communication discourse feature. What this is, it's a forum that allows you to put up different topics and to have your team discuss them. So many other days when the Bible class ends with issues hanging, but we just didn't have the time to continue, or something said in a sermon stirs up interest, but there's no time to discuss it. This forum allows you to put up these topics and to have members communicate. No need to go outside to WhatsApp or anything else. You can do it right here in the same portal, same domain. And finally, we have this members area where you can actually enroll your team, up to 12 of you in all. You and 11 others could actually put up profiles and be able to communicate directly in the e-kit. No need again for social media. So that then is an overview of the e-kit, and we just invite you to enjoy it and to make best use of it in our Lord's service.